Here's a quarter-hour cuckoo clock that I bought off of Sean Barnes while visiting him up in Cape. This particular clock has a windmill that turns as the pendulum goes. I'm going to give this clock to a friend of mine. Her father used to own a video store, and he would give one of these wooden nickels that says return this nickel for a free rental. And so I put that on the pendulum itself. I'm still working on the bellows, trying to get them to operate properly, but I do have one bellow attached. I just never worked on one of these quarter-hour clocks before, and so I'm in process of learning as I go. But it's a pretty cool clock. I think the windmill was originally red. There looks like some red paint. It's just a rubber type windmill, but it spins as the clock ticks. There is no music in this clock, as some of them do have music. This clock didn't have a back door on it, so I had to make a back door for it. And like I said, I do have one pendulum bellow in it already. On the back of this coin that her father would give, it would have the phone number and the address of the video store. But I chose to show the other side rather than the address. I hope she likes it, but anyway, it's a pretty cool clock. It is made there's a manufacturer right there, if you could read that. That manufacturer is Helmut Camera. This particular clock, I believe, was made in 1986. The reason why I say that is somebody carved their name in 1986 on the movement. And so I'm thinking that's about the time frame that it was made. And like I said, the wheel itself is rubber, and I believe it was red originally. Not really for sure, but anyway, I hope you guys like it. God bless.